Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to have a case study about how to get placed easily in a company. So, what are the things you have to do and follow while studying to get placed in a particular company? Okay. So, shall we start? So, give me your suggestions and points one by one. Yes. So, you have to set up a clear goal. So in the first year itself, you have to have a plan and schedule. So how to place in a good company. So what are the things I have to do. So what are the skills I have to learn and achieve. Okay, so that's the first and foremost thing. You must have an aim, and also that will help you to plan your paths easily. So how to go in a right way to get placed. Okay. Next. So in an students, you have to be updated in all the tools which is available for our easy access. So you must be updated in your technical knowledge also. So apart from your syllabus, you have to learn other things also that will help you to get placed easily from others. So you will be in a unique place. Okay. So if you have so much of knowledge in the technical side and AI tools, then that will give you a right way to get placed. Okay. Yes. First and foremost thing is communication skill. So you will have your knowledge, but you have to express it in a good way. So for that, communication plays a very great role. So if you are very good at communication, then that is the first stepping place for placement. Okay. Next. Yes. So your resume also plays an important role. You must have a good resume format. So according to the needs, you have to frame the resume. So from the resume itself, the HR or the recruiter will be interested to call for the interview. Okay. So they will scrutinize the resumes. So in that case, if you want to be selected, your resume should be impressed by the HR. Okay. So what are the skills needed for the current job what you are applying for is very important. So what are the skills needed? You have to update them. If you are having that skill for that position, then you have to fill it correctly. Next.
Right communication and respect to others.
Yes. Then you must also have good personality skills. Okay. So what are the things we are having? The confidence level that will improve to get placed easily. So your confidence is very must because you have to face the interviewer without any nervousness. So for that you have to practice like mock interviews in the classrooms. So that's what the teachers are giving seminars and other assignments. That will help you to improve your communication and also increase your confidence level. Next, another point. Team coordination. So you have to have some sort of soft skills like team coordination, leadership qualities. Then that will be developed through group discussions. So if you are having group discussion practice, in that case you will have the, if you are a team lead, okay, if you are initiating the group discussion, then you will know about the other team members. You will introduce them. You will know about their character. Then you can assign work according to their ages. So team building is very essential nowadays. So only the team can get success easily, not an individual person. Next, any other point? Yes. So to get practice for the placement, you can participate more group discussions. So the more talkings you are making in different perspectives, in different topics, that will enhance your communication skill, your leadership skill, your personality, and also your body language. So everything is essential. So the recruiters not only find the knowledge in you, but all in the whole. Okay, so your personality, your language skill, your confidence level, your teamwork, your leadership qualities. work